Hello and welcome to Hashtag Friday Sews. I'm Lisa Ann Spencer. Thank you so much, as always, for stopping by and visiting with me in my sewing loft today. I do have a few projects and a little bit of material to share with you this week, so if you're interested, then stay tuned. Alrighty, so last week after I made my Hashtag Friday Sews video early in the morning, I did go shopping at both Hobby Lobby and JoAnn's. So let me show you the fabric that I bought, and I have to look at my list because I've been really busy today. I got an early start, went to my garden. It finally stopped raining. I should probably save this for the life portion, but anyway, I got really overheated out in my garden and thought I would make this video earlier today, and then thought, well, I'm not going to make it at all. So anyway, I'm kind of doing this in a pinch, so I am going to look at my notes. So Hobby Lobby, what did I go to buy at Hobby Lobby? I did buy some navy dye to dye the dress, the bell woven that I made last week. That turned out too big, and I'll show you that one in a minute. I bought some buttons, and the prices on buttons at Hobby Lobby is very good. It's the Sewology brand, I think. Let me grab those. I think this was just their regular pricing too. I don't think they had any sales. Now, they're not like specialty high quality or anything. I just needed a lot of buttons because that McCall's dress and the bell woven has lots of buttons. One has like 10 and the other one has like 13. Anyway, these little Sewology buttons, just some sort of tawny colored, and then like a steel blue color. And these are like $1.99. This is $1.69. So anyway, I picked up several of those for just a few dollars. And what else did I get there? I did buy some fabric there. Yep, it's called Willowberry, and I got 1.25 yards, and I didn't get enough. But anyway, very pretty knit fabric. So what I was looking for is something that I could make myself a shirt with. I showed you this pattern last week. Let me see, yep, this new look, you know, easy knits. So I want to make a couple of tops and some leggings. So I had my phone with me where I keep written down how much fabric I need, and I said, oh, I only need 1.25 yards to make the shirt. Well, the 1.25 yards is for the leggings. So I don't want to make leggings out of this, although that would be cute, but not my style. I do want to make a shirt out of it, so I may have to use a different pattern, or I'm just going to see if I can figure out a way to do it. But anyway, I think that that's really pretty, navy and white. So then we went to JoAnn's, and the first fabric that I'm really excited is, I think it's a keepsake cotton. What is it called? Keepsake calico, and this was on the sale rack, and I got 2 3/8 yards, nearly 3 yards for $6, and it is beautiful. It's coral colored with dragonflies, and I am loving it. I'm going to be able to make me a shirt, and let me show you the pattern that I got. Let's see, where's my JoAnn's bag? I got 5 patterns at JoAnn's. Sorry for all the crinkling, but this is the top that I want to make. So they had their Simplicity sale going on. This is number S9748, and the top on the front is just beautiful, and I think it'll be gorgeous in the dragonfly. It's got a little tie on the back. Can you see that? So anyway, I'm real excited to make that hopefully soon, hopefully this week, from the dragonfly fabric. And then I got this navy blue. This will be for leggings. Now this will match the blue that I got from Hobby Lobby, and it will also match this other blue that I found, and I got plenty of it. So I think that that'll make a lovely knit top. Let me see what this one is called or made of. The pants is modal, and I didn't look up to see what this is. It must be some type of synthetic fabric that's new. It's new to me. By Fashion House. It is 49%, whatever modal is, 45 polyester and 6 spandex. And I got 1.5 yards. It was a little pricey, $18 for 1.5 yards. Yep, and then this is Dusty Blue Abstract Floral. It is a double brush cotton poly, $24 for 2.25 yards. So I don't think that was too bad. So anyway, I keep showing it. I think it's really pretty, and I think it'll be really cute in this pattern with the shirt, blue, navy blue leggings, and the 2 different color tops. All right, so let me look in my pattern bag, see what else I got. Grab them. Oh, got some elastic too. I'm always in need of 1-inch elastic, so I grabbed that while I was there. So this week, Butterick also was on sale. Butterick and Simplicity, $1.99. So I got the 69.41. My second oldest daughter, who wears plus sizes, has been looking for shirts for work. Well, I didn't really find anything, but I liked this because it had a little stylized neck, and I thought if she just wants a shirt to wear with leggings, I can shorten it. And here are the line drawings on the back. So we'll see. Hopefully I'll get opportunity to work on that one for her. I bought myself Simplicity 97.51 because of the pants. I've been looking for some boot cut pants and grabbed this one off the sale rack. Okay, skirts. This is the type of skirt I always wear. This is a Simplicity 1616. It's got several views. Both of these I like very much. I think one's maybe a little shorter than the other. What's the difference in view A and B? It looks like length. But anyway, really like those. Oh, and Simplicity 91.89 for this cardigan. It's a little stylized cardigan. That's what the back looks like. I am looking for something that I wear a cardigan every Sunday and Wednesday to church because it's really cold in there. I need something that's a little dressier, so I thought I really liked this one. Now it's just a matter of finding some fabric. So, all right, I think that's it. What did I do? I had showed you the tri-blend jersey that I got on sale the week before, and I did make my daughter a t-shirt with that. I had to use an old pattern, and where is that? Oh, here it is. I had a pattern in my stash from, I sewed some pajamas. I wrote a note on there and says I sewed it in 2016. It's a really nice pattern from McCall's. It's from 2012, that's the date. McCall's 6658. And it's nice because it has a V-neck. It has a high round neck and a low round neck, so you can use different bodice pieces to make, you know, and then it has the different sleeves, long, no sleeve, and and you could even make it 3/4. So I had to make some, and it also has this little, whatever that is, it's almost like a cardigan. What would you call that, a shawl? Never even thought about using that one. But anyway, I used the round neck pattern, do the line drawings again, and made some adjustments, full bust and all that. And it was just a little too big. She loved it. She's been wearing it every day, or I would show it to you. It's very comfortable, but it's too gapey for her to wear to work. But I made my pattern adjustments so that I can make her another one. So that's something that I did this week. And so let me show you. I tried to show you the bell woven, and I did get it dyed last night. I chose navy, and it turned out rather denim looking. And one of the things about this Rit dye, same thing with Janie Bell's dress from the week before, the thread is not taking on the dye. So it really, I think that's what I like about it. You see how the thread, it dyes but not as dark. So one of the things I wanted to talk to you about the week before, and I forgot, was the shirring on the sleeves of the bell woven dress and then on the back. I had never done shirring before, so you see it's stretching. You can see I didn't do it perfectly, but it bunches up, and that was a new thing for me, and I love it. So I'm wanting to find some more patterns now that have the shirring, because I can see that it would make the fit far more comfortable. But anyway, it had the shirring on the sleeves here, and it's really pretty on. It's just that it's too big for me. So I'm going to probably take this one to my aunt and let her try it and see. In fact, I asked her, what color would you like? And she said she liked navy. Well, it didn't turn out a dark navy, but it really turned out to be a beautiful color. I think I see some strings here and there. Yeah, I still got to do buttons on it. I did get my button holes made before I dyed it, and tonight while I'm watching TV, I'm going to sew on the buttons that I got from Hobby Lobby. All right, the next thing that I did was I started on Janie Bell's dress. I showed you last week the new look, 6705, just this simple knee length short sleeves with the ribbon at the high waist, empire waist. I'm not finished, but I did get a good start. See, I've got it pinned back here. It's going to have an invisible zipper in the back. I put the ribbon on there, and it's it's fun. I think when she has it on, it will lay flat and fun, but it's been real easy to work with, a real easy pattern. She had tried it on, and it fits. It's lined. I wish I had enough lining material to do the whole thing, or at least make an underslip, but she will have to wear a slip with it because the material is pretty thin. I don't know if you can't see me through it, but anyway, she will need to wear a slip with it. Anyway, got a good start on that, and I'm sure I'll be able to finish that up in just, another day, a couple of hours of working on it. I think that's it. Let me check my little book. Yeah, and I wrote plans, and I didn't write anything, but I got lots of plans. I always have things to sew. Well, I've been getting a lot of sewing done because it's been raining. There's my cuckoo clock. It's been raining, so I haven't been able to get in my garden. So I've been able to spend more time at the sewing machine. But the garden did almost dry out, and I went this morning. It's a community garden, and I had to mow. The grass was so high, and I pulled weeds and just kind of cleaned up, but it was still a little too wet to till. So I'm going to go back over there early in the morning so that I can be the first one to get the tiller and get that tilled through and get it looking better. So hopefully by the end of this month I'll be able to, on my gardening playlist, show a nicer video of hopefully some garden things. I harvested some carrots and some potatoes, so we're going to be eating fresh potatoes either tonight or tomorrow. Not much else. Next weekend we're leaving for Chicago to go to another Bible conference. We're really excited about this one. We've never been before. It's a family camp and it's a big one, and there's going to be lots of people there and lots of great speakers. So we're excited. Not sure if I'll be able to get a video in next week. If I do, I'll have to video early. All right, well, I hope you guys, you ladies and gentlemen, are having a wonderful week in your sewing room. I look forward to catching up on your videos this weekend, and hope you have a wonderful weekend, and look forward to seeing you next time.